just a jackknife as old Mackie's there, and he keeps it out of sight. With the sharp bites, with its teeth there, scarlet billows start to sprout. Fancy gloves wears old Mackie's there, so there's never a trace around her. The sidewalk turned in mind, don't you know? Lies about it, just losing life. Someone sneaking round the corner. Could that someone be Mack and I? There's a tug down my ribbon of snow with some handbags just as down. That's too many stuffs, but it's in the way there. But they tell old Mack and wait a minute. Here's a pair there, where's the joy now? It's running out. Now Mackey spells just like a sailor. Could it be our boy's not something rash? Suki Double and that told you. Now the line forms on the rocks there. Now that Mack is at the back end of town. Dear oh dear. Just being on television. Ha, 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 wimp, wimp. The boy's a wimp. You're so quiet. What's your name? Who are you? Never heard of you. Go on, say something really sort of profound on telly. Let's show these foreigners how clever we English people are. Oh well, so much for that idea. I think the foreigners have won hands down.